Hi, I'm Deanna from Passionate Homeschooler and Pizzan Academy, and this is our box opening from our monthly subscription of Coffee and a Classic. So this is a subscription box that we get every month, and it has a classic novel and some other fun treats. So let's see what we have this month. Open that up. And they always include it in one of these nice little photo boxes that I use for storage. So that's always a bonus for me. Put that over there. And Coffee and a Classic. And I'm just gonna rip this like it's Christmas. Okay, so let's see what book we get this month. And they give you a little overview, but I don't like to read that first because I like surprises. So let's see what we have. You can get tea or coffee, and I subscribe to the tea box because I like to try new teas, and I love tea throughout the day. I drink coffee in the morning. And this is Gargoyle Blend. Butter. I should really wear my glasses when I do these. A butterscotch tea. Well, that looks nice, and it's got a gargoyle, so this is probably something with the Hunchback of Notre Dame. And they give you little treats. And these are Madeleines, the French cookies, and those will go lovely in my tea. I'm very excited about that. And we have, Quasimodo incense with a little incense burner and Hunchback of Notre Dame matches. That's awfully cute. My sister's going to steal that from me because she loves to burn incense. And every month you get a coffee mug, and this is a Notre Dame, Cathedral de Notre Dame coffee mug. So that's nice. And we have a little pouch. Let's see what's in the pouch. Oh, it's a little flameless candle, so there might be something else that this is going to go to, but I like this little purple pouch. And maybe they just included a little flameless candle. We'll see here. Oh, a beautiful copy of the Hunchback of Notre Dame. And wow, this is a really nice copy. This is the World Cloud Classics, that's right. And I collect these. I have all the Jane Austen ones, so this will go great with my World Cloud Classics, that's hard to say, collection, Hunchback of Notre Dame by Victor Hugo. Now, Victor Hugo was a French author, and this is a story about a priest and a hunchback, obviously, and a woman named Esmeralda, and it's a wonderful story. There's some parts of it that are, really kind of dark. I see it as a little bit dark, but it's a really interesting story to read, and if you are a Francophile like me, then it's definitely something that you want to have in your library. And I think there might be something else in here, so let's go through digging through the little scragglies here. That's just, what is this? Okay. The Hunchback of Notre Dame. Oh, this is a book quote luminary. That's why we have the candle. Okay. Well, this is really interesting. So I guess somehow you make this into a luminary and then you put the little candle in it. So I'll have to read the instructions on that. But that's really sweet. That'll look nice on my shelf in my office. And one more thing here. So you get quite a few little treats when you go, oh, beautiful. And this is a bookmark, but since I've been to Paris a few times in Notre Dame, this I can tell is already the rose window, the big round stained glass window that a lot of Gothic cathedrals had. And so this is probably the one from Notre Dame. Very beautiful. So that is this month's Coffee and a Classic. It's always so exciting to get these, and it focuses on classic literature, which is my favorite thing to read and has been my whole life. So if you or your kids, because they also have a kid version, 1 month I subscribed to that and I got the Heidi box, which was really sweet to get the story Heidi and some other little fun treats. So you can subscribe to the kids version or the young adult version, and or the adult version, or both. And if you want to get your kids reading more classic literature, Pisan Academy has curriculum, and it's all one big package. You don't even have to read the books yourself. For middle school and high school, we do complete curriculum packs with answer keys and quizzes, writing prompts, assignments, and a lot of the works you can even read online because they're in the public domain. So hope that you enjoyed this Coffee and a Classic opening with the Hunchback of Notre Dame with all of these fun little goodies. We'll put a link to the free trial for our curriculum in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.